Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to pass Walmart assessment. So let's get started. So firstly, the Walmart Retail Associated Assessment, often referred to simply as the Walmart Assessment Test, is the primary challenge to getting hired by Walmart. It is used to screen candidates for most of Walmart's hourly positions such as cashier, front end, order filler, personal shopper, etc. So, in order to pass it, as you answer each question, think of work situations and not your personal life. Also, try to stay very consistent throughout your answers, as some questions may ask the same thing but in different disguise. Walmart states that you should work quickly and not spend too long on any questions. Also, practice makes perfect. Utilize practice assessments available online to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions you might encounter. Manage your time effectively during the assessment to ensure you can complete it within the allocated time frame. Also, familiarize yourself with Walmart's core values, policies, and expected behaviors to align your response with company standards. You'll have to aim to answer questions promptly without sacrificing accuracy. Walmart values quick decision making. So that's it. By following these steps and approaching the assessment with a focused and prepared mindset, you will increase your chances of passing it successfully. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.